Hey guys, printing out some logos, a large one and a little one. This is at 100% speed. I usually don't print things this fast, but on something like this, you can. But when you're like printing out a bust or little dragons or stuff like that, you want to go slower. But on things like this, yeah, you can go faster. See, that's what it is. Bed temperature 100. Uh, the hot end where the filament comes out is 245. Speed 100. This machine can go way faster than this. Have I done it? Yeah. I test printed this benchy. They put that benchy on the USB drive and they have you test it out. And it's at full max. Like full speed is like 400 or 500 milliseconds. And they had it at the highest setting and it printed it out. And there's no flaws in it. Like that little stringing right there, that is just like a little cobweb thing. There's no blemishes or nothing. And this thing was like at 300 and then it go to 500 and then back down to 400. No flaws whatsoever. So already just wanted to show you what a fast printing speed looks like.